Hello everyone. Let's dive into the BOYI 61 Pro, a 60% mechanical keyboard that's been making waves in the gaming and working communities. This keyboard boasts a compact design, aiming to provide both functionality and portability. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is the build quality. The PBDXDA keycaps feel substantial and offer a unique typing experience. The forest green color is aesthetically pleasing, giving the keyboard a distinctive look. It's a refreshing departure from the typical black or gray keyboards. The 60% layout is a key feature here. By eliminating the number pad, function keys, and arrow keys, BOYI has created a keyboard that saves a significant amount of desk space. This makes it ideal for gamers or anyone with limited desk space. While it might take some time to adjust to using function layers for missing keys, the added desk space and improved ergonomics are well worth it. This keyboard features Gatron red switches, known for their smooth, linear feel and quiet operation. These switches are a popular choice for both gaming and typing, offering a balance of responsiveness and comfort. The keyboard also features NKRO or N-key rollover, ensuring that every key press is registered, even when multiple keys are pressed simultaneously. This is crucial for fast-paced gaming scenarios. One of the standout features of the BOYI 61 Pro is its tri-mode connectivity. It supports wired USB-C, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless connections, offering flexibility for different setups and devices. The wireless modes are reliable and provide a lag-free experience, making it suitable for gaming and productivity tasks. Customization is another area where the BOYI 61 Pro shines. The keyboard is fully programmable, allowing users to remap keys, create macros, and customize the RGB lighting effects. The software is user-friendly and provides a wide range of options for tweaking the keyboard to your exact preferences. The hot-swappable design is a major plus, allowing you to easily replace the switches without soldering. This opens up a world of possibilities for experimenting with different switch types and customizing the feel of the keyboard. The RGB lighting on the BOYI 61 Pro is vibrant and customizable. There are numerous lighting effects to choose from, and you can even create your own custom profiles. The lighting is bright and evenly distributed, adding a touch of flair to your setup. Ergonomics are also well considered. The keyboard has two adjustable feet, allowing you to choose the angle that's most comfortable for you. The compact design also helps to reduce strain on your wrists and hands, making it more comfortable to use for extended periods. Overall, the BOYI 61 Pro is a well-rounded 60% mechanical keyboard that offers a lot of value for its price. Its compact design, customizable features, and versatile connectivity options make it a great choice for gamers, programmers, and anyone who wants a high-quality mechanical keyboard. While the 60% layout may take some getting used to, the benefits of increased desk space and improved ergonomics are hard to ignore. If you're in a market for a compact and customizable mechanical keyboard, the BOYI 61 Pro is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.